Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about the bash comments. The comments are of two types. They can be single line comments or they can be multi-line comments. So we will see how to have single line comments as well how to keep multi-line comments. And having comments is always a very good practice because it makes our codes more readable to the users who are not writing the codes. So let's see how we can add single line as well as multi-line comments. So in the previous example, we were having this hello world example. Now in this script, I'm just going to add one comment. So when we want to write a single line comment, we just have to start it with a hash symbol like this. Then we can add any comment that we want, like a simple comment. So this is a single line simple comment, and let's just save it and let's run this script. So as you can observe that the comments are not executed, they are not interpreted, they are ignored while the script is executed. And anything that starts with a hash symbol is a comment except the shebang. Even though shebang also starts with a hash symbol, but it is not a comment. And let me write one more example of a single line comment. So I'll just delete codes that I have here. So now I have written one script here, and you can see that this is a single line comment in bash. This is the first comment that I have. Then I am displaying some text which says learn bash scripting. Then in the second line I have a equals 2. So that means I have used a variable and I have assigned some value to that variable. And then after that I have written one more comment in the same line. This is also a comment, but after the command in the same line, which means we can use comments in the same line with a command and it will not change the meaning of the command. Then there's another variable b which has been assigned a value 4. Then I have another comment which says addition. This is another single line comment. Then in the variable c, I am saving the value of the addition of the variable a and variable b. Then this is another comment which says echo result to console, which means whatever is the result of the addition of variable a and b is going to be echoed or displayed to the console. So let us just save this file now and let's run it here in the terminal. And you can see after running this script, we are getting this message learn bash scripting. Then it shows 2 plus 4 equals to 6. So here also the comments are not executed, they are ignored while executing the script. And these were the single line comments. Let's look at multi-line comments now. So when we are trying to add multi-line comments, there are two ways to do that. So first of all, I'll use the first way to display multi-line comments. So I have written a multi-line comment here. So this is a single line comment in bash because it is using a hash symbol. Then I have used echo command to display this text that says learn bash scripting. Then this is the multi-line comment. It starts with less than sign 2 times and then we have to write comment, and then whatever comment you want to write you can write here, and it has to end with this literal that says comment. So within these two literal we can write anything that we want and it can extend to as many lines as we want, and these will be the multi-line comments. Then after that I have written another echo command that says good day, and then another multi-line comment which says this is a multi-line comment, end of the example. So let's save this file again. Alright, and now let's run this file. So the result is displayed in the console which says learn bash scripting, and the second line is good day. So in this way we can write multi-line comments. Then there is one more method to write multi-line comments, which is the second method. So I'll just clear this script and write the text for the multi-line comment. So this is the second way how to write a multi-line comment. You have to use colon and space and then a apostrophe or a single quote, and then you can write anything that you want to write. This is the first comment, this is the second comment, this is the third comment, and then you have to close it with a single apostrophe or a single quote. So this is how we can write multi-line comments. So let me just save this file also, and now let's run it. And it says hello world, because that is the message that we are displaying with the echo command, except that we are just having the comments here, which are multi-line comments. So these are the two methods in which we can write multi-line comments, and to write single line comments we just have to use hash symbol. So that is all for writing bash comments in a bash script file. In the next video we will discuss about the bash codes. So thanks for watching.